Hello, good morning students. So today we are going to study chapter number 10 of grammar, that is cats big and small, and this is a comprehension. So you know, rather than the chapters we have a lot of comprehensions, letters, writing, everything. So between the chapters I am going to also give you this together. So cats big and small. From the topic you can understand, today we are going to study about cats. Big and small doesn't mean about the size of the cat, that cat is big or small. So, have you ever thought that the household cat looked like a tiger or a leopard? Now here we are talking about the categories of cat. In cat's family, the tigers, leopard, lion, cheetah, everything comes in the category of the cat's family. So this is what we are going to learn, and this is just a comprehension. You know, comprehension can be seen and unseen. We have two comprehension in this semester. One is 10 and one is 22. So I am going to give you the explanation and the question answers of this, and also that comprehension, and one can come unseen also. So you have to be prepared, like what is comprehension. Comprehension means some paragraphs given to you. You have to read that paragraph, and there are related questions with the paragraphs, with the chapter. You have to find the answers within the comprehension. Comprehension we are doing from 3rd standard, so it is nothing new for you all. Okay, so we'll start with the chapter. Have you ever thought that the household cat looked like a tiger or a leopard? The cat, tiger, leopard, lion, and all are members of the same family of animals, the feline family. Members of the cat family are hunters, those who seek, chase and kill their prey. Prey means their food. Now see, cats family है. Cats family में कौन कौन आगे included? Tiger, leopard, lion, cheetah, everything is included in it. And they don't get food. Rather than if they are tamed. Tamed means अगर वो domestic animal है, किसी के घर पे रहते हैं, still आपको पता है cats अगर rat को देखते हैं तो they will chase the rat, so that rat becomes their prey. वो उसका शिकार है, so वो उसका खाना है, so वो उसको chase करेगा, पकड़ेगा मेहनत से और पकड़ के खाते हैं. So they are the members of the family. The feline family means feathers वाले और ऐसे same looking kind of people, same looking kind of animals they are, and they are the family from the hunters family, जो अपने खाना को, जो शिकार है उसको देखते हैं, समझते हैं, पकड़ते हैं और फिर खाते हैं. So they kill their prey means kill their food, kill their chase. They chase their food and kill them like that. Some cats are wild and the others are tame. The tiger and the leopard belong to the wild type. The household cats are the tame kind and are kept as pets. Some wild cats are the puma, cheetah and panther. Cats include the Persian, Siamese and Manx cats beside the ordinary striped cats. Now these are different kind of, they are detailing about the cats कि वो कैसे कौन से cats होते हैं. Now see, tiger, lion, leopard, cheetah, all of them we cannot keep at home. They are wild cats. In the category of the cats, they are wild cats, and the rest like small cats and feathers cats और उनके अलग-अलग नाम है, जैसे Persian, Siamese और ये सब ordinary striped वाले cats, उनको हम tame कर सकते हैं. मतलब हम उन्हें घर पे रख सकते हैं. We can keep them at home as our pets. So these are the cats. Cats are great hunters, though not good runners. They are very great hunters, cats. But they are not that good in running. Even cats are very good in running. वो बहुत ही speed में भागते, but उतना भी नहीं. They can run short distance at a great speed and can jump along a way. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth. Now cats वो बहुत ही तेजी से भाग सकते हैं. उनके बहुत sharp teeth होते हैं और वो बहुत ही ऊंधा jump कर सकते हैं. Their claws are hooked and sharp, which can be drawn out and retracted back into their paws. Claws मतलब उनके पंजे, जो पंजे आपने देखे हैं, उनके पंजे जो होते हैं, that is called claws, and their nails like can come out and retracted back means वो लोग उस नेल्स को वापस अपने पंजों के अंदर ले सकते हैं। जैसे हमारे नेल्स है तो नेल्स है, जहां है वहीं पे है। जैसे डॉग्स, दे ऑल्सो हैव नेल्स बट दे कैनॉट take it out when they want and they cannot take it back when they don't need it. But the family of cheetahs can do that. The family of cats can do that. They can put their nails out when they needed them and they can also take it back when they don't need them. इसलिए that is called retracted paw into their paws. Cats are generally nocturnal hunters. That is why they catch their prey at night. Yes, that means they can seek in the dark too. Nocturnal hunters means जो रात को भी अंधेरे में भी देख सकते हो ऐसे animals. They are called nocturnal hunters. See, so the animals which can see at night, they mostly what they do when everywhere there is silence, they know कि उनका जो शिकार है वो अब बाहर निकलेगा. Because normally in jungle also other animals also move when there is silence. They can find their way and they can go out. So this cats family, they normally hunt at night so that they can come to know very clearly कि उनका शिकार कहाँ से आ रहा है. So they can see at night, in the dark too. So they hunt at night. How does a cat catch its prey? It crouches down with its body close to the ground and creeps forward towards the prey. All cats are expert at this approach called stalking. Now वो लोग कैसे पकड़ते हैं? Stalking means what? वो अपना शरीर को देखें जैसे एकदम फर्श में है ना, एकदम ही पतला सा रख सकते हैं और धीरे 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 ऐसे क्रॉल करते हुए they can catch their prey. कि उनको पता है कि उनका शिकार कहाँ पे, so they don't go running, jumping like dogs and all go. So that's why क्या होता है, dogs आते ही cats भाग जाते हैं, but cats perfectly know how to go. They will put their claws very silently, put their body very touching to the ground. They will just sneak to the ground and then they will catch their prey. And the cats are all expert with it. इसमें किसी को training देने की जरूरत नहीं. That cats family are very expert with this catching their prey. Mice are cat's favorite prey. The cat will sit for hours without a sound or movement, waiting for the mouse to come out of its hole. The mouse almost never escapes. As the cat has to remain quiet and surprise the mouse, it always hunts alone. Now, जैसे मैंने कहा, mice are the cat's favorite prey, and the cats will sit hours and hours without a sound, without a movement, waiting for the cat to make a movement, so that if the cat will make a sound or something, the mice will run away. So what the cat does, they have the patience to wait for hours and hours for their prey. So it will wait for them so that the cat will not able to escape, and it will remain quietly and will surprise the mouse as soon as it comes alone. Cats are clean animals and often clean their fur. They will fiercely fight back if someone attacks them. They always fall on their feet and don't get injured easily. Now this is a speciality of the cats. They always make themselves or remain very clean. वो कैसे रहते हैं? They don't like water. They don't like anybody making them making them bath. But they always, अगर आपने देखा हो किसी कैट को ध्यान से देखा हो, वो हमेशा अपने शरीर को चाटते रहते हैं, हाथ पैर नीचे जैसे भी हो, घूम घूम के भी अपने पूंछ को भी वो चाटते रहते हैं. Why? Because they don't like dirt and they like to be very clean. So what they do, they always lick their body again and remain clean. And the speciality of cats are, if anybody is attacking them, they will definitely attack them back. And the speciality of the cats are, they always fall from so much height और कितनी भी ऊंचाई से वो गिरे, to the very extent also, but they will always come and fall on their claws, on their legs we can say, and they never hurt themselves. उनको कभी इंजरी नहीं होती है, rather than उनको कोई पकड़ ना ले. उसके अलावा अगर वो कहीं से भी गिरते भी हो, उनको कभी कोई इंजरी नहीं होती. The two largest members of the feline family are the lion and the tiger. Now these families are called feline family, and the two largest of them are tiger and lion. The lion is sometimes called the king of the beast. It is found on the Great Plains of Africa. In India, we can see a lion in the Gir Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat. Unlike other cats, the lions like to roar loudly and hunt in company with the other lions. Now, lion and tiger are the two most big animals of this feline family, largest animals of this feline family, and the lion is called the king of the beast, and it is mostly found in the plains of Africa. And in India we can find it in the Gir forest, जो Gir Wildlife Sanctuary, जो बहुत सारे जनों ने देखा होगा, and they like to roar very loudly, and lions are mostly the one who hunt with the group. वो एक ग्रुप में जाके ही हंट करना पसंद करते हैं. India's national animal is tiger. That everybody knows that India's largest national animal is who? Tiger. Correct. The brownish yellowish coat marked with broad black strips make this creature look magnificent and dangerous. अभी उसका that's why it is marked there कि lion में क्या खासियत है और टाइगर के शरीर के स्ट्राइप्स और उसके जो फीचर्स के बारे में, that's why it is marked there. The brownish yellow coats marked with broad black strips makes this creature look magnificent and dangerous. अब उनका जो फीचर ही है, when we see lion we still feel that lion is like little bit furry and all, no? But tigers are very dangerous and they have that black strips, very large black strips on their brownish yellowish coat, so that make them looks very different also and very dangerous also. Some cats are dangerous to man. The leopard kills for pleasure as well as for food. Now leopard are such kind of animals, they don't only kill the prey for their food, but also they love to chase, they love to run behind their prey, they love to chase and they kill them for their food and also for the pleasure. Pleasure means ek maze ke liye. Sometimes leopard wander into families and eat domestic animals or even attack a human being. Now leopards are such kind of, they will come out of the forest, they wander means यहाँ वहाँ घूमते हैं, villages में भी घूमते हैं, जो domestic animals जैसे गाय हो गया, भैंस हो गया, या जो भी dogs है, जो भी domestic animals जो लोग पाल रहे हैं, अगर वो उसके सामने आ गया तो वो उसको भी खाने में या hunt करने में पीछे नहीं हटते. They are such kind of other leopards and they also even attack human beings. Cheetah, a type of leopard, is the fastest runner in the cat family. Now cheetah and leopard we always get confused. Now cheetah is a kind of leopard, but cheetah is the very fastest runner in this feline family and in the cat family, feline family. तो वो बहुत ही fastest runner है और उसे एक leopard का type कहा जाता है. From childhood, we grow up listening to stories about cats. In stories, the cat and the mouse are portrayed as enemies, and as in the cartoon series like Tom and Jerry. In the stories of Shikari Shambhu, the hunter catches a tiger or a leopard always by fluke. Mowgli's enemy in the Jungle Book is the same tiger, Sher Khan. So whenever हम बचपन से stories सुनते हैं ना, so whenever we are listening to the stories, always cats and mouse are like enemies of each other. Portrayed मतलब दिखाते ऐसा ही है कि वो एक दूसरे के enemies है. They are like enemies of each other. And like in the Tom and Jerry cartoons आप देखते हो, जिसको सबको बहुत अच्छा लगता है Tom and Jerry ना. So वो cartoons में भी हम देखते हैं. So that is also the same thing कि वो एक दूसरे से लड़ते रहते हैं and they are like enemies. So these are some stories they have given like in which we show them that they are enemies of each other. See, this is the Tom and Jerry character. There are many idioms that refers to cats. Now like for example, let the cat out of the bag means to make a secret publicly known. Now idioms means what? We have already studied in 5th standard. Idioms means not the literary meaning what we are saying in the sentence. So let the cat out of the bag. Now nobody can keep a cat inside the bag. या जब हम बोलते हैं the cat out of the bag मतलब कि सामने वाला इंसान अभी cat को निकालने वाला है बैग के अंदर से, ऐसा नहीं है. उसका मतलब क्या है? Let us make a secret come to a publicly. मतलब हम कोई secret जो रख रहे हैं बहुत टाइम से मन में या छुपा के लोगों से, चलो उसे हम आज रिवील करते हैं. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कैट आउट ऑफ द बैग. दीज आर कॉल्ड इडियम्स, मुहावरे. जो सेंटेंस में लिटरली दिया हुआ है वो नहीं होता उसका मीनिंग. मीनिंग इज हिडन बिहाइंड. You will find several such idioms and sayings under the entry cat in a dictionary. So it is time to pounce your dictionary. Now you will get a lot of idioms related to cats so that you can find out yourself in the dictionary or anything. So this was all about the comprehension, chapter number 10 of grammar, that is cats big and small. In this comprehension we have studied the feline family, that is cat family. कौन-कौन इसमें included होता है, कौन-कौन इसमें ग्रेटेस्ट है या लार्जेस्ट है और कैसा इनका शरीर रहता है, एंड एवरी डिटेल ऑफ द कैट्स फैमिली वी हैव स्टडीड. नाउ आई विल गिव यू द क्वेश्चन आंसर और व्हाटएवर एक्सरसाइज इज देयर behind this chapter as a PDF file with this explanation. Thank you so much. Same thing telling you again and again, while reading, when I am explaining any of the chapters, you have to keep your textbook with you and you have to also read it twice. Now this is such kind of an examples we are giving you in the comprehension. Unseen comprehension भी ऐसे ही आने वाले जिसमें आपको खुद ही रीड करना है, एग्जाम में खुद ही समझना है और उसके accordingly then you have to write the question answer or whatever they are asking related to the comprehension. So better you all practice like this. Thank you so much.